Now, she may not have a big fat dream hit credit after Gajni, but Divya only knows just why is Aasin a Khan favorite. Right, Divya?
You know, absolutely. You know, it's not difficult to be, because when you say things like, I'm a small part of this huge Salman Khan movie, all the Khans would like you. You know, it's diplomacy, thy name, Aasin on the show tonight. But that's not the only thing she's talking to us about. She also tells us why she's ready to keep her relationship status single. Dude is, but right now with me is the Dhinka Chika girl who's looking at the Dhinka Chika also with a nice Being Human t-shirt.
Am I? I thought this is quite simple.
You know, it is simple and it's very nice, but you want to tell us why you're wearing a Being Human t-shirt for a Ready interview?
I think, you know, Being Human is a charity, and in any way that I can extend my support, if me wearing this is going to get some attention towards it, then I think it's a good thing.
You know, and we all know, when it's a Salman Khan movie, it's a phenomenon. Everything about that movie surrounds around Mr. Khan. Do you see yourself blurring in the background in any way, because Salman is the face of the film always?
I don't think so.
Huh? No gali.
I think there's somewhere the credit that each one gets, each one gets.
Right.
I don't think anybody else takes away from that. And of course, Salman, being the star that he is, deserves all the adulation and all the spotlight that he is getting.
Sure.
So I have no issues with that. In fact, I'm very glad to be a small part of this big project, yes.
Why do you call yourself a small part? You're the leading lady.
Well, I'm trying to be humble.
Has Salman been nasty on set? Has he been pulling your leg at all? Or what's the one thing he always picks on you about?
No, I don't think there's one thing. I think every day he finds a new thing to pick on me.
So who's your favorite amongst all the Khans?
After I work with all the three, I'll tell you.
Okay, so you work with Aamir and Salman, so tell me who is the favorite between Aamir and Salman.
No, I think I'm, you know, sentimentally attached to both, because I did my first movie, which was my debut in Hindi, with Aamir. And I've done 2 movies with Salman, and I've interacted most with him because we did 2 films back to back together. So it's very difficult for me to choose between these 2 Khans. You know, once probably the third Khan also comes in, then I'll probably sit and analyze.
You can deal
and
with
then I'll have an answer to your question.
Finally, there'll be an answer. We'll see when she does another movie with Shah Rukh. But lastly, I'd like to ask you, what is Aasin ever ready to do, and what is Aasin never ready to do?
Ever ready to do? I think I'm ever ready to, I don't know, to, you know, connect with the audiences and get their response on the film, because right now I'm just concentrating on my career. So I think I'm ever ready for that. Okay. Ever ready for healthy criticism and healthy feedback. Never ready is for tabloid journalism.
Okay. So I can't ask if she's single or not, can I?
That's not tabloid journalism. Unless you create a story about me being in a relationship or me being single, and unless you use your own imagination to do that.
Okay, I won't use my imagination. I'm going to ask her, are you single, Aasin? Are you available?
Should we just keep that a mystery?
Okay. For now, we'll stick to Salman and Aasin and Ready. Thank you so much for joining us. Thank you so much.